on crops can directly poison honeybees. This poisoning occurs as bees forage for nectar and pollen on treated plants. Pesticides disrupt the bees' nervous systems and leads to disorientation, impairing their ability to navigate. Pesticide exposure can result in the death of honeybees. This poses a significant threat to bee populations and pollination. Bees exposed to pesticides can transport toxins back to their hives. Leads to the contamination of honey stores within the hive. Bees are also vulnerable to pesticide contamination. Contaminated honey and pollen negatively impact the entire colony's health. Ultimately, pesticide exposure threatens the colony's survival and negatively affects the olfactory senses of bees. It makes it harder for bees to find flowers. The difficulty in locating flowers reduces their foraging efficiency. Reduced foraging efficiency threatens the bees' food supply. Polluted water sources can contaminate the water bees drink. Contaminated water leads to illness among bees. Illness weakens bees' natural resistance to diseases. This makes bee populations more vulnerable to environmental stressors. Urban landscapes often feature large expanses of lawn. These landscapes frequently lack diverse floral resources. This lack of floral diversity creates flower deserts. Flower deserts deprive bees of essential food sources like nectar and pollen. This deprivation negatively impacts bee populations and their pollination services. Bee colonies are susceptible to weakening due to insufficient food sources. Exposure to toxins further compromises the health and resilience of bee colonies. The combined effects of malnutrition and toxins can lead to hive collapse. Hive collapse results in significant losses within bee populations. Bees are essential pollinators in various ecosystems. They play a critical role in the reproduction of many plant species. Bees are responsible for pollinating a significant portion of human food crops. These crops include a variety of fruits. Vegetables also rely heavily on bee pollination. Nuts are another category of food crop dependent on bees. Bees play a crucial role in global food security through their pollination services. Pollination is essential for the reproduction of many plants, including crops. Bees facilitate the transfer of pollen, enabling the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Approximately 1 out of every 3 bites of food consumed relies on bee pollination. This highlights the significant impact of bees on agricultural yields and food availability. Planting bee-friendly flowers provides bees with a vital food source. Bee-friendly flowers can be planted in urban environments. Bee-friendly flowers can be planted in suburban environments. Examples of bee-friendly flowers include lavender, sunflowers, and rosemary. Chemical pesticides pose a direct poisoning risk to bees in garden environments. Avoiding these pesticides is crucial for bee conservation. Protecting bees contributes to the overall health and balance of the garden ecosystem. Bees are essential pollinators, supporting plant reproduction and biodiversity. Pesticide-free gardens promote a safer habitat for beneficial insects. Sustainable gardening practices ensure a thriving environment for bees and other wildlife. Natural pest control provides alternatives to chemical pesticides. These methods aim to manage pests without harmful chemicals. Introducing beneficial insects is one natural pest control strategy. Organic sprays are another option for natural pest management. These approaches help maintain ecological balance in gardens. Bees need access to water, especially during hot and dry periods. A shallow dish of water with stones provides a safe drinking source. The stones give bees a place to land and drink without drowning. This setup helps bees stay hydrated and healthy. Providing water is a simple way to support local bee populations. Purchasing honey from local beekeepers provides essential support for their operations. This financial support enables beekeepers to continue their crucial work in caring for bees. Proper care ensures the maintenance of healthy bee colonies. Healthy bee colonies are vital for pollination. Supporting local beekeepers contributes to the overall health of the environment. Beekeepers are essential for the effective management of bee colonies. They actively contribute to the protection and health of bee populations. Beekeepers play a crucial role in facilitating pollination, which is vital for agriculture. They also manage bee colonies for honey production and other hive products. Bees play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. They exhibit expertise in chemistry, architecture, and resource acquisition. Bees are master chemists, creating honey through enzymatic processes. They are brilliant architects, constructing complex hive structures. Bees are dedicated treasure hunters, foraging for nectar and pollen. Simple actions can significantly contribute to the thriving of bee populations. Supporting bees ensures the continued pollination of various crops. Bee pollination is crucial for maintaining agricultural productivity. Protecting bees also preserves the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Collective efforts are essential for the conservation and prosperity of bee colonies.